Hey guys, just near JHeartModelWorks. I am trying something a bit new, something I haven't done before. I'm trying screen capturing. So we are doing the 3,000 subscriber giveaway drawing, and I wanted to test this because if this works, I may use this to do some tutorials for things like, how I make my license plates or something like that would involve, using the screen. So we're testing out a new video type, and we're doing subscriber giveaway at the same time. So, as we've said before, you will need to contact me via the email that is in the description below. There's always an email in the description. It is jheartmodelworks@gmail.com. I will not reach out to you in the comments section to tell you that you have won. So the winner needs to email me. So let's go ahead and click start. And our winner is GrooveHolmes79. Congratulations. You will need to email me within the next 7 days. That would be next Friday. May 15th. You have until May 15th to email me, get in touch with me, and we will arrange to get the model kit shipped out. Thank you very much for everyone who's subscribed. There should be a video this weekend. I don't know if it's coming out Saturday or Sunday, but we have a good bit of update on the Lamborghini Countach. So that's all for this one. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will catch you guys on the next one.